In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the new performance page in Google Chrome 108 settings, step by step. This is a really useful feature if you want Chrome to run a little smoother, use less memory, and help reduce battery drain while you browse. If you've been wondering where the performance section is, or why it might not be showing up yet, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if this helps, and subscribe for more simple software tutorials, just like this one. It really helps the channel, and it means you won't miss the next update guide. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is update Google Chrome. This is important because the performance page is only available in Chrome 108 or newer. So open Chrome on your computer, and then go to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. From there, hover over Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will now open the About page and automatically check for updates. If an update is available, it will begin downloading right away. You may see Chrome verifying, downloading, or installing the latest version. Just let it finish. Once the update is installed, you should see a button that says Relaunch. Click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the update. After Chrome restarts, you'll know you're on the newer version. If you want to double check, you can go back to About Google Chrome and confirm that you're running Chrome 108 or newer. This step matters because without the correct version, the performance settings may not appear. Now that Chrome is updated, the next step is to open Chrome settings. Again, click the three dots menu in the top right corner, and this time select Settings. Chrome settings will open in a new tab. This is where you can manage all of Chrome's options, including privacy, appearance, search, and now, on supported versions, performance-related tools. Once you're inside settings, look at the left sidebar. You should see different categories listed there. Find Performance and click it. If the performance section is available, this is where you'll see the new controls that help optimize browser usage. Inside the performance page, you'll usually find two main options, Memory Saver and Energy Saver. First, let's talk about Memory Saver. Turn this on if you want Chrome to automatically free up memory from inactive tabs. This is especially helpful if you keep a lot of tabs open at once, because it helps Chrome stay responsive and can reduce slowdowns on lower memory systems. When Memory Saver is enabled, tabs you aren't using will use less RAM until you click back on them. Next, turn on Energy Saver. This feature reduces background activity and helps lower battery usage, which is great if you're using a laptop. If you browse for long periods, Energy Saver can help extend battery life by limiting unnecessary processes and reducing power demand while you're not actively using heavy sites. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may also see additional performance-related options or site-specific settings. Take a moment to review them and adjust them based on how you use your browser. If you multitask a lot, Memory Saver can be especially useful. If you're often unplugged, Energy Saver is worth enabling too. And that's really all there is to it. Once Chrome is updated and you've opened the performance section in settings, you can turn on the features that matter most to you. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a noticeable difference in how Chrome performs day to day. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more Chrome tips, Windows tutorials, and easy step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.